Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. And today guys we are going to talk about guys how to enable aeroplane mode in a Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to enable your aeroplane mode option, so friends you can enable it. And friends, now let's see how to enable aeroplane mode option in a Tecno phone. In this video friends, I am going to show you friends. And guys, how can you use guys your aeroplane mode setting? I will also tell you. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to enable your aeroplane mode. So we will turn on guys our phone setting, and once you can see this type of settings, you can scroll it, and once you can see guys your mode connection setting, you can tap here. Once you can see your aeroplane mode, so you want to enable, so guys you can enable from this right side icon. After enable guys, you cannot use guys your mobile data and Wi-Fi setting guys. You can see guys your aeroplane mode option, and guys you can see this aeroplane mode icon on your screen. After that guys, after enable guys your aeroplane mode option guys, you can watch guys your download movies, listening song, like, and guys play offline games. And guys you cannot call your friends and relative any person, and they also cannot call you guys. So are you friends, you have understood how to enable aeroplane mode in our Tecno phone? So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.